Imagine having the key to unlock boundless energy, renewed vitality, and a rekindled zest for life. What if I told you that this key exists, and it's right here in the world of testosterone replacement therapy? In the next 4 minutes, we're going to uncover the secrets of this life-changing treatment. So, get ready to embark on a journey towards revitalizing your life. Testosterone replacement therapy is a medical treatment designed to address low testosterone levels in individuals, typically men. Testosterone is a crucial hormone responsible for various functions in the body, including the development of male sexual characteristics, maintaining muscle mass, bone density, and regulating mood and energy levels. Methods TRT involves the administration of supplemental testosterone to individuals who have been diagnosed with low testosterone levels, a condition known as hypogonadism. Hypogonadism can be caused by various factors, including aging, certain medical conditions, or medications. TRT can be delivered through different methods, including injections. Testosterone is injected directly into the muscle. Transdermal methods. Testosterone can be applied topically using gels, creams, or patches. Implants. Small pellets containing testosterone are surgically implanted under the skin. Oral medications. While less common, oral testosterone medications are available. Pros of TRT. 1. Increased energy and vitality. One of the primary benefits of TRT is the potential for increased energy levels, improved mood, and overall vitality. Many individuals experience a boost in their quality of life. 2. Improved muscle mass and strength. TRT can help increase muscle mass and improve physical strength, which is particularly beneficial for individuals who have experienced muscle loss due to low testosterone. 3. Enhanced libido and sexual function. Many individuals with low testosterone experience a decline in libido and sexual function. TRT can help improve these aspects of their life. 4. Mood stabilization. Some people with low testosterone levels may experience mood swings, irritability, or depression. TRT can help stabilize mood and improve mental well-being. 5. Enhanced cognitive function. Some studies suggest that TRT may have a positive impact on cognitive function, including memory and concentration. Cons of TRT. 1. Potential health risks. TRT is associated with certain health risks, such as an increased risk of cardiovascular issues, including heart attacks and strokes. It may also raise the risk of blood clots. 2. Infertility. TRT can reduce sperm production, potentially causing infertility. If fertility is a concern, alternative treatments may be considered. 3. Prostate health. TRT may affect the prostate gland, and there is a concern that it could worsen prostate cancer in individuals with pre-existing cancer. Regular prostate monitoring is crucial. 4. Mood swings. While TRT can improve mood in many individuals, some may experience mood swings or aggression as a side effect. 5. Cost and commitment. TRT can be costly, depending on the method of administration and insurance coverage. It also requires a long-term commitment and monitoring by a healthcare provider. 6. Individual response variability. TRT's effectiveness and side effects can vary from person to person. It may not provide the same benefits or risks to everyone.